Hi, welcome to Slideform. Today let's talk about how to get data from a Tableau dashboard into a Google slide deck automatically and on a schedule. Let's take a look at an example of a Google slide deck that's going to pull data from Tableau. This is using the Superstore example that Tableau provides. Now I need to make a lot of reports that have specific filter values applied to my Tableau dashboard. In this case, I need data from a specific year, 2022, and also a specific product category. And I need to create multiple reports with different filter settings for each one. To do that with Slideform, what you do is you connect your Tableau dashboard, and Slideform reads in all of the different data and visuals that are available on your Tableau dashboard. We make those available inside a data source. Then when you get that data source into Slideform, you'll be able to preview and see all of the different charts, figures, and tables that have been captured. One cool feature of Slideform is that we actually capture the data behind each of these visuals as well. So you can embed that information into your slide deck as a editable data table or as editable text in the case of KPIs and metrics. In my case, I want to not only filter the values, but also show them as an editable table. To set that up, we create a slide deck template to capture the information. On the first slide, I have placeholders for the year and category. These are not only nice to display on the title slide, but they'll be used to filter the Tableau data to get the information I want into this report. The second slide has a chart, which is going to be this bar chart across the top of the Tableau dashboard. And the third page has a chart on the left and a data table on the right. Now, each of these are set up by using a rectangular placeholder with a name typed inside that begins and ends with curly braces. Once we load the data set and also the slide deck template into Slideform, we can go in there and take a look at how we match up the data to the slide deck. Here's my project, the Superstore Customer Analysis. And for each of the placeholders that are in my slide deck template, you'll see a blue box like this, where we set up exactly where the data comes from, which dashboard, which worksheet, and which metric on that page. And we can set up a dropdown so the user will be able to select that year and category that will be used to filter the rest of the data. Then for a particular chart or other information, we match up where the data comes from, which worksheet and chart, and then we apply the filters that we've chosen. Now this can be done automatically, so you don't even have to have someone log into Slideform. We can set up a schedule to run this report on a weekly or monthly basis, or you can run the report in bulk and produce lots of different outputs all at once. Let's take a look at what that looks like when we create output. We click Generate. We'll be able to use the drop-down to select our filter values and apply them. And then when our data is ready, we will create a Google Slide output that looks like this. So if I chose 2022 and office supplies, my data will be filtered to show only that information, and the data table is an editable table that you can then rearrange or format as you desire. The cool thing about Slideform is that we can automate a lot of the routine tasks that you take in order to generate these types of reports and embed your Tableau data directly into the reports that you need to send out on a recurring basis. For more information, get in touch with us over at slideform.co.